Good morning, student. Today we are going to start new chapter, New Kings and Kingdoms, AD 700 to 1200. So, I already told you that history is divided into three major periods, and they are first ancient, second medieval, and third modern period. So, in this year we are going to study about medieval period. So the time period of medieval period was 8th century to 18th century, and this medieval period was divided into two major periods, and they were early medieval period and later medieval period. So the time period of early medieval period was 700 to 1200. Okay, so the time period of early medieval period was 700 to 1200. So this in this period we are going to study about introduction of this chapter. So in this early medieval period there established many small states in India, and in early medieval period early medieval period is called the rise of small states in India. So in both side, means North India and South India also. So North India was divided into large number of Rajput states, and South India was also parceled out in a number of states ruled by different dynasties of the Pallavas, the Cholas, and the Rashtrakutas. So in this early period of India, there established many small kingdoms, many small states, okay, and in North India there established a large number of states of Rajput, okay, and in South India there established many small states of the Pallavas, the Cholas, and the Rashtrakutas. Next, the division of India into large number of small states had an evil effect on society, economy, and culture. Because of this division, means in India there established many small kingdom, and this was the division of India, and this division of India make that a large number of small states. So this division of India had an evil effect, mean very bad effect happened on society, economy, and culture. So these smaller kingdoms were always fighting with one another. So there established many small states in India, and because of this division, these small states, these smaller kingdom, they were always fighting with one another, and because of this fighting, this development weakened of the country, means the development decrease. Development weaken means development decrease होना मीन्स डेवलपमेंट एकदम कम होना स्टार्ट हो गया द कंट्री सो मच दैट फॉरेन पावर्स वन आफ्टर द अदर वर टेम्पटेड टू ऑक्यूपाई दिस कंट्री. So because of this internal fighting, many foreign power one after the other they came here in India, and they started to win this country. And among them there were the Arabs, the Turks, the Mughal, the Portuguese, the Dutch, and the English, and the French, etc. They came to India and they exploited to India. So see one more time. Early medieval period, the time period of early medieval period was 700 to 1200, and in this period many small states established in India, and these smaller states started to fighting with one another, and that's why this fighting bad effect happening on society, economy, and culture. And because of this internal fighting, this development decrease also, and many foreigner countries or many foreign powers one after the other they came here, and they tried to tempt to occupy this country. They tried to win this country and among them there were Arabs, the Turks, the Mughal, the Portuguese, and the Dutch, the English, and the French. They came here to India and they exploited to this country. In next period, we will learn about political developments.